Don't you love it when you're on those road trips and the kids or the people go, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? And you just want to tell them, yes, we're there. When you have the all-new Thor Chateau 24F, you won't have to worry about that, because these Class C motorhomes are designed to make sure that the comfort in there is going to make sure you do not get asked those questions, are we there yet? Take a look at the dash, for example, right here. We got the wood inlays. You got the extendable. Now, this is a touch screen that pulls out of the dash when you crank it up and you get going. But this is Bluetooth, has all your controls, has navigation, and the beauty and the ease of the dash, plus the space. We have the compartments, the cup holders. You got the wood inlay there, got the compartment there. The seats are comfortable. You're on the Ford, the all-new Ford. I'll talk about this V8 once we get outside. But these make cruising and checking out wherever you want to go so much better and so much fun. Let's go take a look at the back. So we walk into the living area, and right away, you're going to see what I'm talking about with the comforts and the style that Thor has put into their chateaus. Right above the cab, we got the cab over bunk with a 500-pound capacity. Easily sleep 2 adults here. You got cup holders in the back, panoramic window with the designer wood valance on it, and the large TV on the swivel. That's so if you want to have the family watching the TV in the living room, they can pull it out and watch it. Or if you say, you know what, I'm going to close that privacy curtain, watch a little TV myself. You even got your own vent fan here, ducted AC there with the 15,000 BTU AC and quick cool. Going to make sure that the temperature stays where you want it to stay. Right over here on the campsite, you'll see the entry point with all of our, we got the house battery controls, you got the voltage checker, you got your lights, you can run out your awning, got a power port, you got the extendable spacer here for the kitchen cabinet, and right here is the Thor Motor Coach Command Center. This is where you can run the slides out, make sure your heaters are cut on, run the water pump, switch on the 110 inverter, check the battery, check the fresh, the gray tanks, and run the generator all at the same time. Got that glazed maple cabinetry, solid shaker style cabinets with the brushed nickel fixtures, strut supported. You're gonna see that all the way around this beautiful Class C. And right there are your cable connections, some power connections, just so you can run the TV, all that. Come over here to the campsite kitchen, and right away, hopefully you can see that we have ourselves a huge panoramic window with that designer wood valance. I got myself a little LED light there to give me some extra light. But if I want to check on the kids or just take a look at my campsite, I could do that while getting dinner ready in the large undermounted farmhouse style stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet and sprayer handle. Doing some cleaning, seamless countertop here. Got the cutting board covers right there. We even have the little pop out here. Solid wood construction on the ball bearing drives here on all the drawers. This one's full extension. Good spot for the trash can there. Flush mounted 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover. Grill style great. Really makes moving the pots and pans around a lot easier. Plus, you got the little LED accent light there on the oven controls and the burner controls. Got your oven right here. Do some baking, you absolutely could. And not to be outdone, you got to have that drawer for the pots and pans. So when you get done making that camp meal, you got 84-inch high ceilings in here, giving you plenty of headroom. You come over to the Dream Dinette to enjoy the meal and reconnect with those loved ones. Now, what's a Dream Dinette? A Dream Dinette means that there's no legs under the table. So you have a lot of range of motion. And this easily reduces down into a sleeper. So you got the bunk over cab there. You got a sleeper here, surrounded by panoramic windows. Great for light, great for the airflow. I got my LED lights here, a dual USB charger. Plus I got speakers mounted and that glazed maple cabinetry on these cabinets, strut supported, giving you some overhead storage space. And you'll notice we got double lights, we got cup holders, comfortable. I got space underneath if I want to do some storage over here. Once again, on that ball bearing drive, just a nice upgraded touch. Easy to clean, slip resistant flooring. We step up over here. I got more pantry space behind this drawer, including some pullouts Look at that. Would you just look at it? That's great for storing the spices or the cooking stuff that you want to use. Me, I'd probably put some fishing or hunting gear in there, and then I'd get yelled at by everybody. Wood paneling here on the fridge freezer combo, which runs on both gas and electric, giving you good space for those weekend getaways. It does have the automatic switch on it too. Strut supported once again. Got a little power port there if we need it. Over here is, now this is included in the slide. So this 24F only has one slide that has the wardrobe and the dinette. But if you take a look at the mirrored wardrobe, look at the space that we have in there, including this adjustable shelf, excuse me, that you can move up and down or just take out if you want to. So if you needed some room for the bags, or if you needed, more pantry space, that's the great thing about your RV. Not everything has to be for what it's conventionally used for. If you use the kitchen space for clothing space, it's fine. That's your RV. People say, oh, well, that drawer is used for whatever you want because it's your RV. You're taking it out to enjoy life and trips. Look at the extensions that we have here on these drawers. Good space. Once again, this could be pantry, or since it's wardrobe space, great for the socks, the shirts, the shorts, the whole nine. And I hid the trash can away in there, but good little space maybe for shoes, boots, bags, kabu bags, water bags. Got the privacy curtain for the master, which, this is a great couples coach or small family coach, because any more than that, because there is no true solid disconnect between the spaces, you're not going to have a whole lot of privacy. But you still have a privacy curtain. Got a little mini walk-around queen-size bed here. Got the inlaid headboard there. Shaker-style cabinets right above my push-button LED lights. Excuse me. Look at the design on the wood valance around the window right there. Another large window back here with the wood valance, and I got a 12-volt power port, USB dual, and dual power port right here on this side, giving me plenty of options. You do have some cubby space there, so if you want to put your phone in there, some water or whatever, or maybe if you had to fit a CPAP machine, I would put it over here. And when you're ready for the entertainment, you got the TV mounted here that is also on a little mini swivel. Got your AC controls right there, and a vent. Just kind of help when you set up, you want to get some more airflow, let the hot air out, you absolutely could. But 84-inch high ceilings, it's going to sit there and not really bug you because we're so high. Coming to the bathroom, residential style. It's campsite. Got my corner mounted vanity here with the single basin sink, brushed nickel all the way around. Corner mounted right here with the medicine cabinet, once again with those raised lips. That really helps when you're in transit. Make sure that when you get set up and you open this door, everything doesn't fall out on you. Got the powered vent fan for the bathroom here. Got a little hanger. Got the raised toilet bowl. And I'm a fan of these because, you can just kind of, it gives you all the height that you need. But they're raised because that's where the plumbing is underneath. Got the suspension door here for the single surround shower. The extra high skylight here, you'll notice that's pretty good height right there. To me, that was a design that Thor put in because they knew people were going to need the headroom. But that light really gives you a good, bright air feel when it comes in. But you can kind of see, I would need that if I needed to wash my hair. Corner notches right here, but I'm not cramped left to right. With the Chateaus, it is all about the space and the style and the comfort, getting you to where you need to go. Upgraded features, upgraded amenities, and with Class C's, it's about just take it and go. You can go wherever you want to. I'm a big fan of these. So we've seen the inside of the all-new Thor Chateau 24F. What do you say we go take a look at the outside and see what we got out there? So here we are on the outside of the all-new Thor Chateau 24F. I want to start right up front. This is the 350 chassis, but we got the 7.3-liter V8 engine in this, 350 horsepower, 468 pounds of torque on this beauty. So you're going to be able to get to where you want to go when you want to go it. Got the extra large mirrors on the outside, the mega mirrors, if you will. Got the large Solera awning, which goes the entire length of the living space inside this Class C motorhome. Plus, we got the LED light strip. Solid grab handle going into the entry point here. You got the sealed safety tinted windows all the way around. This is your fresh tank fill right here. If you want to set up some outside entertainment, like maybe a boom box, charge your cell phone, you got your power ports right there. The mega storage, and I love how Thor does this because it's rubberized, so if you got the wet stuff, throw that in there. Got a little LED accent light. Back of the fridge over here. Keep moving our way down. More of that mega storage in here, so good storage space on the inside, good storage space on the outside as well. 4x4 sewer hose storage right there. Now, these are rated for 8,000 pound towing capacity. That is an 8,000 pound towing hitch right there. You got the solid mounted ladder going over the top. Got your backup camera right there mounted in the rear light. That is, you can see that from the touchscreen dash. Large window right there for the bedroom. You even have the grip step right there. Now, underneath the slide, I want you to check this out. So you got your unleaded fuel fill right there. You got your tank flush right there, the Santee flush. You got your terminations under here, your gray and your black tanks. But take a look at the space that we have inside this mega storage. You got the shelf right here, so if you want to put some of your shoes, bags, whatever, you could. You got the mega storage down here, and even a pass-through space right there. So if you had the ladder or if you had an outside table, that'd be a great spot for that. Or if you want to take the table out, maybe fit a beach umbrella, there you go. Side opening door too. So we can close that. You got your 30 amp connection right there, including satellite connection right there. Got more storage underneath, as well as that's the access to the LP. And you got a 4,000 Onan 4,000 watt generator under there too. Runs quiet, gives you plenty of power. City water connection, external shower with hot and cold. And not to be outdone, how about some additional storage space right up here, easy to access when the slide is out, finished off. Now, this is good for the backpacks, the hunting gear, the whatever, the stuff that my wife wouldn't let me keep inside the RV, that's where that's gonna go. Back of the furnace right here. And look at the slide, there's your Onan generator right there. So for a 25-foot, 5-inch Class C motorhome, got the slide topper too on my slide. Talk about making sure that when things fall, it doesn't get stuck in the slide or damage the slide. That to me is a must-have. But if you've been looking for a motorhome, Class C, less than 26 feet, that could still sleep, 4 or 5 people pretty comfortably, this would be one I would absolutely say that you have to take a look at, because that 7.3 liter V8, it's a great engine. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, what did you think of the all-new Thor Chateau 24F? Because I love hearing from you. And please, while you're at it, click like, subscribe, and notify, so when we do have a new video come out, you're the first one to see it. And if you want to see the price for this unit, there's a little link inside the description. Just click on that link. That'll pull up the ones closest to you and list the price for you as well. I'm Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. I hope I get a chance to hear from you soon. But until then, please come check out an RV, especially these Class Cs, because they are fun. I'll see you soon.